Right, this is a video tutorial of my curtains, grommet or eyelet curtains, and just to show how I'm doing this. This is the top of the curtain. I've put the first two in already. As you can see, they fit quite nicely in the top. This is one that has had the hole cut but not the facing put on just yet, and as we move along here on the inside of the curtain, bearing in mind that I've done this by sewing the top of the header on first with a straight stitch. Whoops, I'll get that out later. It's quite a long stitch, and I did it very close to the edge of the buckram top here, the eyelet top. So here I've got to the next one that I'm about to cut out, and what I did beforehand was to make a circle with pencil. So here's one that I made with a pencil circle, which I hope you can see there. I move that out the way, you can see the pencil mark. That's where I need to cut. I've pinned it to the fabric because eventually I'm going to sew that down, but I needed to pin all the way through the layers so that when I cut it, as you can see here, I've started to cut this one, and you can see the pencil line and where I have to cut. So it's quite awkward to do, but once you get going, because of the pin holding all the layers of fabric together, and bearing in mind there is 1, 2, 3 layers of fashion fabric or curtain fabric and a layer of lining, so that's pretty much the same. It's just a bit awkward to cut out. I can go just outside the pencil line. It's big enough room to snap the outside onto. So I'm just cutting round here, making sure that you're not actually cutting through anything that you're not supposed to be cutting through. So get through that, get rid of that. And now going back to one I did earlier, as it were, here, just to show how I put that on. So this is the actual grommet that's going on the outside. So I'm lifting up the fabric, making sure that that is fabric's over that ring, and just snap that into place. And there we have it. Beautiful ring, all set up. I'm quite pleased with that. So I'm going to go along and finish the rest of the curtain.